Yeah, so another reason you will need financial literacy education is for income replacement. Don't you know you could get the money you get from having a policy and you put that into a business? Now that's what brings you the bag. It's not just putting the money in there, it's what you get from the money. Tell you I teach how to get business loan and all that. These are the structures we want to help you put in place so you can get the bag, get the moolah, get the money, whatever you call it in your language. Get the money basically and use the money to create an empire where you put in a trust. And trust me, is not going to be affected by probate or whatever. And then you build multiple streams of income. Yeah, which is what we call the family banking system. So why do you want to leave your financial education to mere say to what you see in the news and stuff? And yet year in, year out, you broke as get started today. Text the word life to the number 832-969-7380 and let's get this ball rolling.